In this episode, we're going to learn about comparing life past and present. Life today looks a lot different than it did 100 years ago. Let's take a look at how they're different. In the past, they didn't have electricity, so they couldn't turn on the lights. Instead, they had to use a lantern that had oil that would burn when lit with a match. Doors had locks on them, but the keys used to unlock the door looked different. What do you notice about the keys of the past and today? Take a look at this item. What do you think it was used for? Well, it was toothpaste. The containers definitely looked different. Eggs were collected from hens and placed into a basket. But today, we go to the grocery store and get our eggs in cartons. Washing clothes in the past was hard. They would scrub their clothes on this board and then hang it up on a clothesline. Today, we just put it in the washing machine and dryer and it does all the work. Life today is different than it was long ago. Now that you've seen the differences, was there anything that surprised you? Hope you liked this lesson on life long ago and today. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons.